completely flabbergasted this evening at the decision of Manchester United to sack coach Erik Ten Hag. I mean, the man was doing such a brilliant job at Manchester United. I just don't get the sacking. Ten Hag was in the process of implementing his philosophy and making his mark at Old Trafford. And he should have been given a chance to complete his mission of demolition. Right now, the Maverick is so caught up inside. Manchester United has been chopping and changing managers ever since the departure of Sir Alex Ferguson. And instead of sticking with the Ten Hag, apparently Man United want more Hag, or is it less Hag? I mean, the man himself told them that outside of Manchester City, over the last 2 seasons, Manchester United, they have won the most trophies in England. This man should not have been fired, but he should have been given another 5-year extension on his contract. You'll never walk alone.